What's good, wealth builders? It's your boy Devon back again with another video, and today we're talking about my 15 ways to make money without a job. So let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, real quick, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, and building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand, my 15 ways to make money without a job. All right, number one, do surveys. Okay, this is like one of the old school ways to make money online, but this is one of the easiest ways to make money without a job, and you do not have to put any type of money into it. Okay, this is not going to make you rich, but definitely put money in your pocket. Also, if you refer other people, you will make more money. And my favorite site to do this with is Swagbucks. Okay, there's a lot of different sites, but I feel like Swagbucks is the most legit, and it's way more than just a survey site. You can watch videos, you can do other paid tasks that are very simple but get cash for it. Okay, so it would behoove you to go ahead and check out Swagbucks. That link is in the description, okay? Every link I talk about in this video is in the description, so go check it out. Let's get on to number two, all right? Rent out your spare room. Now, this is easy if you have an extra room that you hardly use and don't mind strangers in your home. I personally wouldn't do it, but hey, it's an option, okay? I don't like strangers in my crib, man. I really don't. But I would buy a house or condo that is not my main place of residence, then I would rent that out, you know what I'm saying, to like an Airbnb or what have you, and go ahead and make some extra income, okay? Go ahead and check out Airbnb.com and go ahead and check them out, sign up, and do that. Do it that way though. Don't rent out a room in your main residence. You don't want everybody to know where you live, okay? But if you do have maybe a shed in the back or a secondary home that you don't use all the time, then this will be a great income source for you without having a job. Number three, invest in a business, okay? This doesn't mean start a business, but this means invest in a business. Let's break it down, okay? This is one of my favorite ways to make money without having a job, because it's pretty much you just taking your money and putting it into something that is going to bring you back more money, all right? You search out a solid up-and-coming business, then invest your money and buy shares of the business. You end up getting paid from the equity you purchased in the company, okay? And if you really want to learn more about this, I do have a website I'm affiliated with. It's called startengine.com. There is a link in the description for this. This is definitely a way for you to find different new companies that are coming out, and you can invest in and start making that Shark Tank type of cash. All right, so we got number four. Choose credit cards with high cash back. All right, if you're into credit cards and love using credit cards, then this is another option to make money, and you don't have to do much. Okay, you literally just swipe, you buy what you buy, and you get cash back at the end of the day. Okay, and you don't have to have a job. So number five, rent out your car. All right, this is a really good way to make money because all you have to do is place the pics of your vehicle in the description on a site called Turo, okay? And B, set your pricing, and C, wait for folks to rent your vehicle. Simple. They come wherever you want to meet up at. It could be a local Starbucks, it could be a local Walmart, a local Kroger, or what have you, a shopping center, somewhere. You meet them, you hand over the keys for the rental, and boom, they're on their way. They probably have to maybe sign something or put some information on Turo for them to get signed up. I don't know the full process because I've never done it, but I do know a few people that do make a nice size income off this, and I did break it down a little further in one of my videos on how to start a rental car company on your own. There will be a link in the description. You can check out that video also. Okay. Number 6, peer-to-peer lending. Another favorite way to make money without a job. You literally are getting paid to lend money to other people. Okay, you can go to different sites. There's different sites like lendingclub.com, and all you got to do is sign up. You put up your money, find the people that are gonna take out the loan, and boom, you got your nice source of income for lending out some money that you probably was gonna trickle away anyway. All right. Number 7, pet sit. If you have a love for pets, you know what I'm saying, something like you always love pets, you've always been good with pets, you never shied away from a dog, you never shied away from a cat or nothing like that, okay, then this wouldn't be a job to you, okay? This would be like a permanent vacation that you got paid for, okay? All you're doing is going to someone's house, feeding their pet, maybe walking their pet if it's a dog or what have you, letting the pet out in the backyard or whatever the case may be, and then you go about your daily, you know what I'm saying, your daily routine. And you can do this for multiple pets. You can actually start a business off this type of hobby if you really were into that, okay? Number 8, lend out your clothes. I'm gonna be honest, okay? This is not one of my favorites, you know what I'm saying, not my favorite way to make money. But if you have an abundance of clothing that you don't wear, this could be a great source of extra income, okay? You can just Google how to lend out your clothes and get paid for it, or you can check out a link in the description and learn more about that, okay? Number 9, start a small website to monetize your hobbies. Okay, I talked about this earlier, okay, with the pet sitting thing. If that's something, you know, you can do, you can start a website for pet sitting and teaching people how to be a pet sitter or become a pet sitter, and you can create that into a whole business, okay? But in general, this is another favorite of mine. I created a couple videos about turning your hobbies to profit, so there will be, you know what I'm saying, the videos in the description. But simply, you buy a domain name based on the hobby that you know what I'm saying, that you are into, then create a website about that hobby, and you can easily monetize your website through different affiliate programs like Amazon.com, Clickbank.com, JVZoo.com. There's a bunch of affiliate sites out there that you can Google, go check out and sign up for and use them on your site. That's how you can make some extra income. Number 10, house sit. Okay, this is like one of the most easiest, most simplest ways to make money without having a job. I mean, I like this because you literally get to sit in someone's house and do nothing. Okay, but sit there, you can watch TV, work on your online business while getting paid. All right, what's better than that? You can sit somewhere, get paid, and then go about your day. All right. Number 11, purchase real estate. I know you're thinking this is not easy as it sounds, right? Get a whole bunch of money together and just go buy a house and rent it out. Boom, bang, bang, right? Is that easy? No, it's really not, okay? But it's not as hard as you think it is, okay? You literally can skip all that and just invest $500 and make a return on your investment without doing anything. And if you want to check out how you can do that, you can go check out Diverse Fund, okay? It's called real estate crowdfunding, okay? That's what Diverse Fund does, okay? They do real estate crowdfunding. You check them out. It's an easy way to start making money off of real estate without, you know what I'm saying, putting a whole bunch of money up with buying a house or flipping a property or anything like that. All right. Number 12, turn your car into a billboard. All right. If you don't mind having ads on your window or wrapped on your car, then this is another easy way to put some coins in your piggy bank without really working, okay? All you gotta do pretty much is to put these stickers like, psh, psh, psh. I hope it don't really sound like that, but seriously, you put these stickers on your vehicle or wrap your car, get it professionally wrapped with a promo, and you ride around town. You get paid for that. There are people getting paid to put advertisements on their car, okay? hey, some people don't really think their car is that nice, so maybe they figure, hey, I can just create it, you know what I'm saying, into an income stream by making it a moving billboard. Number 13, invest in dividends paying stocks, okay? This is awesome. This is an awesome way to get banked without clocking in at a job. You can check out Stash App and learn more about dividend stocks. And if you're not quite ready to jump into that, you know what I'm saying, you can check out my video about getting paid monthly from stocks, okay? Very easy, very simple to do. Anyone can do it. I know a lot of people are scared of the stock market and scared of it going up and going down, all that good stuff. Listen, man, it's very simple, very easy. Just go ahead and check out the videos. The link is in the description. And you can get started today and start making that nice passive income that you don't have to clock in for, man. You don't have to go to the little computer and be like, let me put my finger there, boop, 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 boop. I'm working now. No, you don't have to do none of that, okay? All right, just to make bank with dividend stocks. Number 14, write an ebook. Now, if you're good at anything, anything, all right, you can write an ebook about it and sell it on outlets like Amazon, Elance. There's a few different outlets, Fiverr, different outlets out there you can sell your ebook on and start making a nice side income without having a job, okay? You can sell it for anywhere between, I think a lot of ebooks go from like $5 to $10, okay? But it's more of, you know, a broad amount of people, like, you know what I'm saying, thousands of people or 2,000 people, 3,000 people. You sell this ebook to that many people and you can make you a nice little side income, like I stated before. Number 15, our last one, okay? Number 15, rent your stuff. If you have an abundance of things you don't use, like an old power drill that works just fine, or maybe a bike that you don't ride anymore, then you, my friend, have a way to make money without having a job. You can rent this stuff out to different people and make some cash, okay? So basically, it's not like if you have a bike that you don't use, you can literally rent it out to other people for maybe $20 an hour, $10 an hour, whatever it is, whatever the going price is, okay? And then make you a nice side income. So there you have it. My 15 ways to make money without having a job. This will set you up for a great year if you use about half of these options to make money without having a job. Now, these won't make you rich, but this will give you the stepping stones to get there. Now, if you want to learn exactly what I do to make money online, click the link below and watch the video. It's the Wealth Builder System, okay? I have a special bonus going on for anyone that completes all 5 steps in the Wealth Builder System, okay? You will get 5,000 leads to market to for free, all right? So, thanks for watching. It's your boy Devon signing off for my 15 ways to make money without a job. Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace. It's the Wealth Builders, baby.